Holy cow. I suck it out the window. Could it be the wind fucking shit up? I took that as an opportunity. Just be able to hear me way back. Get back. Yeah, we're back, but no one's here. Maybe we should take our coffee intermission. Okay, I'm gonna start up a couple of charts so people are tuning back. I took that as an opportunity to restart it real quick. I wanna go close the window in the other room too. I restarted trading viewer, started the stream stuff. All people should have to do is refresh to get back. Take them a minute because that time I had restarted it. It wasn't coming back right away. I'm hopeful this time. It's all good now. Kraken's attacking. It's always days like this. Dollar pump. We're just gonna have our coffee refill break real quick. People are getting back in. Thanks everyone. I'm not gonna let it distract us too much. Coffee break, couple minutes so people are tuning back in. That last disconnect I used as an opportunity to kind of restart everything. Hopefully it's all good now. The door's still blowing open and shut. I'm gonna go shut all the windows and everything. Get more coffee. Oh fuck, it looks like it reposted a whole new link even. So I'm gonna have to repost the link to people. Yeah, so coffee break while everyone's getting back in here. Wow. Alright, I was hoping I restarted it fast enough that it would have kept it going, but it's a whole new different link. I'm gonna have to blast out there. Because they're probably all sitting in the other live chat. I'll pop in there and mention it too. Hey, we just hit 6.95k subscribers. Almost at 7k. It's pretty cool because I want to see that magic number. I wish I could tell who's like subscriber number 7777. Give them a special gift. The last stream, the one that got disconnected, has exactly 77 thumbs up. Let's go. Looks like everyone's figuring it out. It's going smooth now. Alright, cool. Just having a short coffee refill. People are tuning back in. Yeah, what a day. Yeah, so I was hoping that I restarted it quick enough that it would keep the same link, but it started a brand new link. Stock Wizard clicked the wrong link. Almost got sold some trading software on a commercial. Uh-oh. Yeah, watch out for those commercials. Alright. Jumping back in the chat. Welcome back. Traders. Afternoon trading session. It's for the patient. That's what we do best after all. You gotta seek out the stream. Make it happen. Seek out those good charts. Make it happen. That's what we do best. Just hidden treasures. Should be good to go. All this wind catching our sails, blowing us pretty fucking fast. Pretty quick. Let's be work drive today. My goodness, I had to close all the windows to make sure it's not too much wind, no one falls over the deck. Sure no one goes over the deck, right? So that's the theme of the day. Here's the lesson of the day. As we're getting on track. On track chart. Went around, close all of the windows. Windows. because this is our window. Opportunity. It's time to window. Let's go. For some better therapeutics, better targets. $5 good. That'll be a good win. Good victory. And Cessin 50 cents. A dollar from 50 cents to $1. That's what we're shooting for. Hit those targets or window opportunity. Session Bay. Oh man, it's been a wild ride on Session. Because we traded that thing last year as a major day show. Now it is again, but it's like even better this time. Like even more this time. Because now it's more primed up, more rocket fuel, outperforming all these other charts with 20% kaboom. Middle of the hammer. S&P drop it down to the end of the day. Let's see, we got 2 hours. Go all the way down 2 hours. Dollar's still cruising upwards. The XX 2, not just Session and Sonam and better therapeutics. Those aren't the only bangers. The XX. Where it gets by the end of the day. Going to the end of the week. We got the top of our big cup box in the week. And it has a nice green month ahead. Which means a red month ahead on S&P. Which ought to tell us more about the S&P. Pretty clear on SQs. Where's red yesterday, so is VXX under 25 yesterday. Now this bounced back 15%, and it still looks strong. So S&P drops down that 4% right here end of the day. This will push up even further. VXX should spring up even further. So it really is VXX day. And yet we're crushing targets on Session. I'm proud of the Pirates. Great job, Session traders. Making Captain proud on that one. They're laughing their way to the bank on Session during the middle of a market. Because even if you got in at the worst possible spot back here, everyone who got in point this week now is green. That's all we want out of is quick profit on it. So a quick and easy win. Quick and easy win, lock that shit in. It's not about hitting here today, it's about can it hit this tomorrow. Round of 7 for green starts in the market crash. Let's hit those targets against all odds. Everyone should be in under 50 cents, right? Not enough 7s, yo. It's not gonna happen unless there's a bunch of 7s in the chat right now. You can't call the 7s and then not bust them out. After a visit from Blackbeard's ghost? Come on. Fucking dollar target. We're just slacking. I don't know. Should we just chart the AMC 5-minute chart instead? Or should we hit that dollar assassin target? Maybe no one cares about this. For better therapeutics, but it's more than just sets. Better therapeutics go for a $5 target end of week. Just got that fucking treasure. Better therapeutics 7s. DXX. Cheers, Chris Perez. Much disappointment in other parts. They must be busy firing their buy orders off or something. Get out of the shower. Get out of the shower. S&P's going hammered. The XX is about to blow up. Can't see. Stay away from the wires, kitty. Okay. Tommy Lane's rolling one up. That's an acceptable excuse. After disconnect, we watched the hype. Alice, your screens, boy. That might just be your settings. Anyone else, screen boy? After we restarted there, it looks like it's all good now. Man. Yeah, it's all good on that. Check your settings here, Alice. If you click the wheel, you have to find the quality. See if you can bump it up to HD. YouTube changed something weird with that 9 months ago. There's some more 7s. Yeah, we lost the casual viewers again during that discount. That's what usually happens. It's like the core crew makes their way back because they know I'll be back. But any of the casual viewers are like, what happened? It's gone for the day. Alright, cool. Everyone else's looks good. So Alice is probably just your settings there. Check that. That happens sometimes by default. Then you have to change it. Song's called Hot Coffee. That's like Hot Bevy. I like this song. Full 20% session. It's a trippy dishy day for what? Because Blockbuster legit did 100%. So I'm out. I gotta call Fidelity. Ask him. How'd Blockbuster double in value if no one can trade it? I'm not gonna let the disconnect ruin my height. Hey, Bookcat, she's frisky. Hour, coming up. I mean, it's a trippy digi day. If Blockbuster can go 100% today, maybe Session will pull something crazy. It's all right now. That's the kind of possibilities. Maybe. Doesn't even have to take till tomorrow. And Therapeutics, we'll see. It's already up so much. It's waiting to hit the next alert. Otherwise, staying calm on it. I'm almost kicking in those ones in session because not too much green besides these select ones right now. Traders FOMOing in. They're about 35% late to the party on session. I'm gonna do another round of shoutouts because keep the hype back up. Let's see who's gonna make it through the storm. Noel's gonna make it, Vitali's gonna make it, T5's gonna make it, Sunshine gonna make it, David Stevens gonna make it, Swift, Nick, Jake Mallard, Pirate Hornet, Dances with Paper Hands, Tommy Gutter, Tommy Lane, Gary Hoden, Nerdy Dark, Dopet, Keep It Real. Well, I was really just joking about all the stuff with the door, but it's really kind of symbolic of everything happening in the markets right now. So it's fun to joke about. Gizmo, you're easy. I know they're gonna make it. They made it all year last year. Larry, Java Bean Joe made it all year last year. Hell yeah, Java Bean Joe. Ben Hopewell and Jerry Bear's back. The big to the line. The one and only NFT holder. The Shrevenant, the pet. Underwater. Not for long. Headstock. Swift Mischief. Stock Wizard. It gets hobby. Back to slobbing. David Stevens, Beat Pop, D Money, Chuan, Tomas. Tomas gonna make it. For Tony. Perfect name for S&P 420. Important line of the week. The month. Last month. At this rate, it's up to what the dollar does. For if it finishes full 4%. James Ipa. And Alice, hopefully she got her settings back, her quality back. I've been 0 frame drop since I restarted. Josh Covey just scooped up some link, nice. Chris Perez. Chainlink, yeah, it's down around 10. That's quite low. Chainlink. Target on Chainlink's 100, so 10 to 100, 10x. Beyond. Here's our dunk.
Hot beverage.
Chainlink. We got a lot of anticipation to see how quickly they bounce right back. Or Bitcoin goes down lower 345 is just gonna sit on this trend line until Bitcoin has a bigger bounce. But we already did have that, so it looks like it's already been starting. That's what's cool about it. If we get another bounce, then it's pretty much on, because we'll be leaving the bevy, leaving the entry area again, going back upwards. That should correlate with 1T on the altcoins, our total altcoin chart. Market cap. Yeah, that looks quite similar as what we were just seeing on Chainlink. following the altcoin market cap. Just like Bitcoin's following the whole crypto market cap. Swift Mischief got a fresh haircut and Sesson's ripping. Feeling super hype. Very good. Very good to keep hype on this during times of panic. Hey Nick J, when do I think the market pain would be over? So it comes down to the dollar affecting the S&P for even just the end of day here, but really on the bigger picture there. I'm expecting lots more chop here over the next like month. Another look at our long-term dollar.
Quick peek at OTRK 777.
Yeah, for sure. Hey, thanks, Shibik. 1 second. Because it's tough right now. Focus on the light at the end of the tunnel when the dollar's going back down, actually helping us gain value on all our favorite undervalued stocks. The dollar would actually be boosting us up a ton on the way down. So when's that gonna happen? I expect choppiness up here for at least a month, for the rest of the month. So we can get a nice huge dollar dippy, but then bounce back up in a couple weeks. Then it's back up here at the top and then it drops down again. So probably a whole month of that. After that, it should start breaking down this orange line. And then when we're under that orange line, it's really gonna be on. So that should be in like 2 months going under the orange line. So not too long away at all. Not that far away at all. But I don't expect it to go straight down here immediately. Right now. I'm expecting more choppiness this peak here. So that'll lead to, okay, when it gets a good dollar dippy, that'll lead to our hot bevvies, our undervalued stocks having nice breakouts like Sesson today, better Therapeutics, those double digits. Get more of those popcorn bounces coming in. Making progress is good for crypto as well. It means there would be some coconut bounces potentially, but it shouldn't do. Our stock should be performing well when it's going down. At least holding the line, maintaining. The bear charts are still going to be sketchy for another month or so, at least. Because the bear charts all look like they have another month or two to go down. So another month or two of volatility choppy on the dollar while it's really topping out on the longer term, and then go down a lot after that in the later half of the year, and then throughout next year too. It's looking like the last half of this year going down hard on dollar, boosting up all the stocks. And then a whole nother year of downside on the dollar, so like 2 years of bull run ahead. Potentially 2 months of market chaos, followed by 2 years of epic bull run. And even AMC would be super bullish during this $100 target AMC when dollar's crashing there. So not immediately, not like next week early, but within a month or two, we should be dropping below this orange line, and then it's really getting started for the way down on the dollar. Even though we're quite topped out in general at the top spot here, all that choppiness when it is bouncing, that'll hurt the bear charts. Every time it does bounce, that'll hammer down the S&P more, that'll hammer down those topped out charts more. Because those charts got a ways to go. That's why we can reasonably suspect that the dollar's not going to be done for a while. Not just yet. Now we'll check out the big chart. Because Amazon, even with this going straight down, it's looking like it's going to keep going down all month for a whole month. Maybe even 2 months in a row. So this got a ways to go, even though it's dropping straight down as fast as possible. You can tell that it's not gonna be like overnight really. So if it takes another month or two for that to really bottom out, that means dollar is gonna be strong, generally speaking, for another month or two, while these are still crashing. And then after this is bottomed out and everything, dollar will be crashing, going down, and these will be bullish again, potentially in just a couple months here, even these ones. Like even the most bearish charts. I mean Tesla too. Even Tesla might be a good entry in just like 2 months from now. I don't think it's gonna take that long. Crashed down 90% in 2 months, essentially. The grand scheme of it all. What's really fucking cool, and this is how you're elite traders, even if you're a beginner. How about them Tesla puts? What's really fucking cool, if you're in Tesla puts, you ride it down like that for a month or two and cash out big on the Tesla puts, then you can use all that profit to go long on Tesla at the bottom and ride it back up. If you make like 10 grand on it going down, you're gonna get 10 grand of shares at the bottom after you lock in the profits on your puts. Nice, Travis Schaefer riding them. Yeah, absolutely, Alice. So that might not take that long. Say it drops about halfway this month over the next 26 days. And then it's under 500. And then next month drops another like down halfway, getting under 200 in just 2 months. $200 target, 2 months. Could be right around the corner, and then even Tesla's bullish again in just a couple months because dollar's crashing by then. It did, Damien. BTC is getting short-term paper hand right now. It is definitely taking damage. Looks like heading down to 345 all the way at this rate. Love the chart. And that's okay, but it is what it is. There's gonna be lots of crypto paper handing right now because everyone's seeing the S&P get smacked and they're going, oh shit, the whole market's, the whole world's gonna blow up. All over, every market's doomed, crypto and the stocks, and that might not be the case really, because crypto's been showing us lots of strength otherwise, but it does look like 3, 4, 5 tests, and that's okay, that's normal. We did that 2 times already, 3rd time's the charm. Just keep in mind we already did this twice. Back here, January and February. March, we had a nice higher high up here. 47,000. April, May, we're down here at the bottom again, testing 345. And as long as we're above that, solid. If we drop under 345 and it does not bounce back up and it gets stuck under here, it's a problem. Or it's the best entry ever. Flash crash. There's no sign of that yet. We're not gonna worry about that yet because we're still holding 345. And this is why it's tricky, and you don't fuck with crypto, crypto fucks with you. Because it falls below here and then panic and it looks scary and you might paper hand it and then it bounces off 3, 4, 5 like back here. So you gotta know what's really important. It's that spot, not 36,242 where it is right here right now. It's 3, 4, 5. It's kind of like AMC at 15. Leaning bullish over 15 AMC, leaning bullish over 345 BTC. As long as we got that, it's solid. But it is gonna take damage alongside S&P on days like this. And after that last higher high, this is where dollar really went parabolic. Dollar was going insane here over the last month, April. Look at the dollar in April. This is the dollar in April here. So that's why Bitcoin came down to 345. If dollar pushes up just a bit more, it's definitely gonna be hitting 345. It's all on the dollar right now. But if we hold 345 and dollar tops out going into the weekend, even just perhaps going into the weekend, and then we get a huge dollar dippy, Bitcoin's gonna bounce huge from 345. It's gonna bounce right back up to $50,000. So it won't even matter. And then like the dollar will bounce again and Bitcoin will stop on 45,000, drop down a few $1,000, whatever, and bounce back on the next dollar dip. we're just not ready for that immediately right now. Gotta hit 345 first, gotta top out on the dollar more first. Going into the end of the week, going into next week, and really the rest of the month. Dollar can go further for a bit here. There really is no limit to the exact top right now. If it's 104, 105, 107, we're just gonna have to take it that day by day for that, essentially. Until it starts putting in more of a real dollar dippy, because that one yesterday didn't hold up. That was not real. So it's good we're getting these hot heavy bounces today against the dollar doing this. Very impressive. Strong green moves on our bevies, because S&P is taking dollar damage. S&P's down under 4% now. And the end of day drop. We might even close the day under 410. The booty coin bet was, there's a guy close under 420 up here, not 410. We might close under 410. That's how much it's come down. This is S&P today, taking dollar damage against this dollar today, going straight up. So it didn't matter that dollar dip, didn't affect it. The trends all continue. All the trends are continuing. Hey Tina, you ready to scoop that dunk on AMC? You got ready for that hot baby AMC? VXX getting going, 27 bucks. That's still cheaper than 1 month on Discord. Than one golden ticket to ride on this pirate ship for a month, but not for long. Flipping one share of VXX from 30 to 60, 100%. You just flipped the whole month of Discord. The pirates tax. What, you think real pirates weren't taxed? You know, real pirate captains back in the day, our ancestors used to steal some of their crew's treasure. They have to prove their worth to get that treasure session, make Captain Brad and VXX. But Captain keeps his crew well fed and hydrated on bevies. See, that's the trade-off. Captain keeps his crew well hydrated on the hot bevies. You don't have to drink the salt water like those other fucking ships. Put down the salt water. We got lots of coffee. Lots of bevies. What market crash? Made that one. The one that's making S&P go down 4% in one day. Like 4%. Just think about it for a second. Anything dropping 4% is not very ideal. The VXX drops 4% red in one day. That's not very good. For like the whole S&P 4% one day. AMC goes down 4% one day. It's oh no. All that wind earlier. The storm has already blown several transformers. Oh yeah. Our other one from yesterday. Found a good old one. Oh shoot. It is. You ready for the market crash? I just got back from a market crash. The XX 7.77% green. Please confirmed. Their church feeling the burn. Double digit downs on their church. Those are some of the most bearish ones too. Etsy and Leo DraftKings. Those were some of the first to go, and they're some of the first to drop even further. This is what Tesla is about to do. Oh, and Neo. Show the brutal one, please. Alright, J-Make, here's the brutal one. This ain't no joke. AMC CEO was tweeting out sunshine and rainbows. Like a fucking month ago, right before the big doozy, right before the big storm. Talking about the Highcraft mining thing. No one's talking about that chart anymore. We'll have to check. Calm seas, smooth sailing. What the fuck? Yeah, right. Does that look like what we do every day? Sunshine and rainbows and smooth sailing ahead. What the fuck is he smoking? I want some of that way he's smoking. That's the opposite of the AMC chart right now. Jeez. That was brutal enough. Cause that's not even me, like you're really trying to say it's all good, it's all rainbows and smooth sailing on AMC. Are you kidding me? Like after it already came down from $70. That's after that thing already down a ton last year on the top, and he's saying that. Tina, yeah, in general. This seems to be the recurring question. Are markets gonna tank more in the coming months? Yeah. I don't see why not. I don't see what's gonna stop it. Right now, I didn't see Superman fly down from kryptonite. What planet is Superman from? Nerdy Dork. Maybe Nerdy Dork knows. Kryptonite, Superman's poison. Planet Krypton. I don't think Superman's gonna fly down from planet Krypton tomorrow and save the world, so I don't see what's gonna stop Neo from tanking further. Yeah, get ready for that, Tina, exactly. This is our window of opportunity if you're looking to play these other charts. The ones that aren't hot bevies yet, but they might be very soon. In a month or two, Neo might be a really good entry. Under $5 Neo. And then spring right back up and dollar crash, Neo goes on a whole nother big bull run. And the top was at 70, from 5 to 100, 20x on Neo. Hey, it's just like AMC though, from 5 to 100, 20x AMC. When the dollar crashes, it'll be bullish as fuck all those ones, but the dollar's not done yet, and these aren't done going down yet, so it's looking like another month or two to really hit all those hard bottoms down there. Because maybe it just goes straight down right now for a month, and then boom, it's $5, but it takes a whole nother month, volatility chopping around, bottoming out, and then it springs back after that. So like 3 months from now, Neo's going back up at that point, potentially. That's the most accurate time frame I can give you right now, because time is the hardest part, and it's clear it's gonna be like at least a month of going down still. And that's reasonable to think a month of bouncing around. But maybe longer. Maybe they take longer, some of them, after that, to go back up. I think they'll all be doing it at different timings. Like Neo, the faster it goes down here, the quicker it's gonna recover on the way back up. Some of the other ones, what's a slow moving bear chart? They're all like right on the edge of a cliff. Lulu's pretty slow, but it's about to get slammed. Let's say Lulu Mon chart takes like 6 months to go all the way down. Then it'll take longer to go up than Neo. maybe it'll spring back up quicker. This takes 6 more months to go back up. It takes a whole year to get back up here. But some of them, if they go down hard enough, they're gonna recover instantly. This is what we're looking for on some of them. Basically like the mullen smackdown. The mullen got hit so hard it bounced up 700% right after. We want these V-shaped recoveries. It's just that some charts will get them, some won't, depending on how fast or slow they're moving individually. And I think, see, here's the catch. We're gonna have to let the charts tell us and lead the way, cause Tesla can drop down a lot quicker than people expect, and that's why I really believe it can slam down that far within just a couple months. So it's really not a question if it does or when it does. It's more like how fast is it gonna slam down, because that's how fast it's gonna bounce up. Essentially a giant V recovery on Tesla. If it gets hit hard enough, it's bought right back up after. But if it ends up taking longer than that, and it takes the whole rest of the year to go down there, it's just slowly melting, then it's not going to recover as quick. We'll see. If it drops straight down 2 months and we get a hot bevy, it's an obvious entry. We want the charts to tempt us. We want the charts to convince us that it's a worthwhile entry. So if it quickly flash crash, essentially it slams down low enough, that'd be a really attractive entry. Because all the FOMO, the popularity, you know, it would get bought back up. Sooner or later, it would get bought back up. So if you get in cheap enough, it's almost like can't lose. Yeah, Tina, back to the old tops, back to the V's. We've already gotten it on a bunch of them. So this is the 2020 crash on Tesla. Just like S&P, that V-shaped recovery. So this was the 2020 market crash right here on Tesla, that was it. And then it bounced right back up, kept going insane. That's where they're trying to go back down to. And on Tesla, it's just very extreme. It's just extreme magnitude because it's so inflated that it can drop that much value. So all the way back down to there, there's a whole 85% drop, which makes it a hot bevy. Lower, Tina, that's the trap, that's the trick. Be careful, because it drops down to 500 and people are gonna think it's a good entry, and they're gonna buy the dip and it'll coconut bounce again back up here, and then just keep dropping after that. To trap people again. 500 is not low enough. That's not a good support on the chart, because where's 500 over here? Why would it stop at 500 right here? This is all still the top. It needs to go back from where it started, the real breakout. Which is half of 500. Like 500's only halfway down, 250. The top of the V is 200. I'm being conservative when I'm saying. That's the crazy part, okay? Like, it might sound extreme what I'm saying of like, oh, it's gonna crash 85% down to 250, and it might sound pretty bearish and like, oh, that's not even possible. Maybe it's even worse than that. I'm being safe about it, conservative. It's more like under 200 on the chart. According to the chart, more than 85% from the top. Back down like halfway down the V at like 150. A whole 90% down from the top. That's what it really looks like on the chart, but I'm being kind of like conservative, saying, oh, it might go down to 250. The chart says it's probably gonna go to 150. I think it'll coconut bounce around 500, but I don't think it's gonna stop at 500 entirely. Because people are going to be feeling the burn at that point. They're going to be losing billions of dollars of value on Tesla. And once that process starts, it causes major panic selling. I guess snowball momentum effect. Oh, we got power hour coming up. 7 minutes. Or paper hour. Alright, cool. Maybe we'll hit some of those targets. Maybe we'll get session boosts. But, yeah, we'll just see. Dollar's still been pushing up, but we'll see. We get a nice power hour on our favorite bull charts at the moment, our favorite day trades going on. Still a good shot that we get a nice power hour on session and stuff. Etsy's down 17%. So there's the coconut bounces on the bear charts, all gone. Yeah, they all had coconut bounces here. It's all gone, down 17% today. So this is what it should be doing. The real weird part is that I even had a coconut bounce, really. Should have just kept going down all along. Even Etsy's not done going down yet. Alright, cool. Let's have our last coffee intermission. Thanks, everyone. Good day overall. Great day overall. Matthew, I haven't looked at Aterian today. I saw it was under 5, but it's nothing to panic about. Oh, 495. That's holding up better than I expected. Aterian, actually. It's impressive. We just want to maintain, not take too much damage on our bull charts. We don't need it to go up right now. As long as it didn't get hammered with the S&P down to like $3 today, and it didn't. It's holding 5 area. All good. So overall, these green ones, well, even the red ones, that's the thing. It's like Aterian 6% red, but it's still crushing it right now. Don't even worry about it being the color red right now. Yeah, Matthew. Therapeutics pinch. Well, we've voted up while making coffee. Not a bet, but a vote. Just to see what y'all think. We already sent it, fuck yeah, earlier, but... Do you think we're gonna get power hour, or are we gonna get paper hand hour? Alright, vote power or vote paper for the last hour of the day. Exclamation, vote power, vote paper. It might be both in a weird fucking way. There's no right answer, wrong answer. We'll see what people think generally. Because the S&P can get hammer paper and Session can get power hour. Well, I'll vote power hour for Session. diving back into the shark-infested waters. It's gonna be power hour, paper hour. You all had a great day so far. If starts are good, crew's good, then it's all good. GXX over 27. Oh, S&P 4.2% red. almost under 411. Are we gonna hit 410? Sheesh, it looks looking like paper. It is looking like paper hand dollar. Not even wait until tomorrow. That's why earlier today, if you were here earlier this morning, I was saying like it's pretty much all over for S&P today. Like it's already toast. It was already day was already over hours ago. I'd already decided hours ago that it was gonna stay down here all day. Yeah, and it's gonna take crypto with it, exactly. So paper hand hour, crypto paper hand, all of it. Hit 345. Oh wow. Hit 345 right now. It's under 36. Let's see if we hit 35. And yeah, it's kind of like, well, if not in the next hour, then certainly by tomorrow. Oh shit. Bebop says, check AMC, baby. Puts. Oh shit. Kind of want to. See, the noob tubers don't even know what's up. 1450. Bebop's up 200% on his AMC puts. Let's go. Wait, someone's making money on it. It wasn't even my idea, but I'm gonna guide him through it anyway. Cause he's actually trading it. He's actually making moves on it. They can play big plays. 200% AMC win on the way down. So it'd be in a stock pirates all about.
777.
Anyone else crushing it on AMC? On the dark side. There's a disturbance in the force. Those noob tubers don't even know what's about to fucking hit them. They think there's nothing big going on in the markets this week. Their favorite stocks broken a critical level. Fallen S&P. Taking major dollar damage, almost more than anything else, because nothing else on our list is really at a critical level like that. I'm trying to think of one, like Ride at $2. Well, okay, Ride's 205. We're over $2 on Ride. Ride's holding a critical level, AMC is not. I must be a hedgy for saying that, right? I guess that makes me a hedgy. So be it. Call me what you want. The chart's under 15. The chart is the chart. The price is the fucking price. I'm not even trading that thing. I just see it under 15. Darren market getting hammered. And no beat pops up 200% on trade on it. Looks pretty cool. 99% AMC traders losing money, but beat pops tripled his money on it. He's on the right side of the trade. That's where the profits are, apparently. Oh, the vote, Robert, is just for power hour versus paper hand hour. But it's already turning paper hand hour. Bitcoin's going down 345 still. The S&P is over 4% down. How's dollar? Well, it might not even matter right now. It probably doesn't even matter what dollar does right now. Our bull charts are double digits. They stopped. They hit a speed bump. Better Therapeutics. Giant red candle. It's paper hand hour. Let's see how that vote turned out. Would you all vote? Cause it's the end of the yeah. Keep it real. That's hilarious. From this morning, we were trying to find the hedgie. Who's the? Where's the hedgie? Oh, where's the captain? Oh. Gotcha. Oh. Oh, so true. But it's like, how would there be anything to gain from that? Open people cards VXX, let's go VXX. Get double digits! We're getting the double digits VXX. I can't be a hedgie. I'm starting to wonder myself. Is the kind of markets make you question everything you know, who you are, where you were born? Maybe I am a hedgie. Because we are hedging against the markets with VXX 10% double digit green day. Hedging, if we're hedging against the S&P with VXX, are we the hedgies? The hedgies were within ourselves all along. With each and every one of ourselves. It was all of us. Against the market crash. Okay. Hedges are the ones who succeed in the long term because they make it through the market crash. Oh wow, there's more votes for power hours than paper handout. I think there's just excitement for those targets. Let's see how those ones go tomorrow, assessing and all that. Let's see, like, we'll just get lock in the 10%. We'll just close the day, some nice double digits on those is all good. And then hopefully another double digi on session tomorrow. They're hitting a major speed bump right now. Hitting a major wave. Holy fuck, S&P 4.35%. That's major. Captain's turned on, fasten seatbelt. Yeah, no, huge wave. Going down to 410. It's 410, 30 cents. Might close the day under 410. We were talking about 420 this morning. Not 420, 410. $10 difference. Okay, be careful with the crypto paper handing. Be careful with the altcoin paper hand going on. No squatching altcoins. I hope there are no Sasquatches watching the show right now, squatching those altcoins. Because Litecoin had a pretty brutal stop on. I'm sure the others are too. Nice drop opportunity. Getting that full crypto dipto now. So much so that JBake was considering buying one whole Bitcoin on this move, on this tip. Tesla melting hard. Grayscale Litecoin, $4.97. No squatching Grayscale Litecoin. Time to be brave. It's right where we want it, in our diamond hands. A dash under 100, potentially gonna hit 77 again, like last time right here, touching the real bottoms on them. Nano's even low. Nano's a good entry. Liking Nano. Oh, this got me excited. Be able to pillage some of these things pretty fucking low. We had a problem last month. They were going up too damn fast. Nano was going up too fast without me. I'd be able to get in on it now. Right on the line. Not the red one, but the green one. And the blue long-term trend line. My goodness. That's where we are on our crypto market. We just need to maintain. We just need to stay at this area. Bitcoin stays above 3, 4, 5-ish. They're gonna moon when the dollar crashes then. No hesitation on accumulation, because they can bounce back just right over the weekend. Major hammer day, SP 4.3% down, going for the whole 4% end of day close. So market madness, that's why we're trying to have fun today. Stay calm, keep our cool. So no one paper hands or squatches on their altcoins. So there's gonna be lots of squatching. We need to see if Bitcoin holds 345. That'll tell us everything. Some of them seem more bottomed out than others, like how low exactly is Jasmine gonna go while sitting exactly on top of our Robux. Maybe it just had a big bounce right from here over the weekend. I don't expect it to go all the way back down. It can, that's always the risk. But will it really have a full double dunk there after it just went 700%? I don't think it'll go all the way back down. 350%. It should hold some of those gains. Let's say it did though, and we have this like crypto kind of flash crash going on. Well, exactly, double dunk. It's another good entry. Doubling down or accumulating while you have the window of opportunity. So really no hesitation on accumulation. If it bounces back over the weekend, we need to see where Bitcoin moves from 345. Hit 345 on this today, maybe it'll bounce back just tomorrow going into Friday, and then over the weekend keeps heading up green on Bitcoin, and all the altcoins bounce right back over the weekend. pretty likely scenario. Because we're about to hit 345 and it happens so quick, it can bounce back real quick too. No concern, no panic, no doubt, no fear, uncertainty, doubt, or panic. The classics, right? No fear, no uncertainty, no doubt, no panic. Good old FUD-P. As long as we're above 345. It's only caution. It's only, right, we gotta have some caution and see what's going on if we're under 345. That's all it is. While we're above that, no FUD-P. If it's under there tomorrow, then you can FUD-P all you want. Yeah, exactly, Hornet. After witnessing all this craziness and learning a lot, being prepared for most anything after this year, surely will be. Get through this, you can get through anything, because you can get through all these 3, 4, 5 paper hands, stop punch during the market crash, get through the hard part of the markets on crypto. Think about how good it'll be when it's crypto bull run type markets and all the cryptos are pumping. Because we all know that's gonna happen again. It's just a matter of time. And if we just maintain here for now, we'll get a dollar dip. Sooner or later, one of these days, maybe over the weekend, we'll get a nice dollar dippy and this will spring right back up. All altcoins are bouncing and then there was nothing to worry about all along, and we just maintain here during the market storm over the next month or two. So we're probably not gonna hit $100,000 this month. We're probably not even 50,000, but if we just maintain our strength, once the dollar does crash in a month or two, we will hit that 70,000 all-time high when the dollar's crashing. So we just need to hold steady until dollar crashes. Dollar's relatively topped out, so this is appearing relatively bottomed out in the long term. I'm staying brave on it. I know crypto crew's staying brave on it. Because a bunch of them already entered some last weekend and everything. They've already been pillaging. I think we needed some more crypto cargo below the deck. Some good diversity in the portfolios. Yeah, mullen flashing green and red. Lots of mind games right now. All market madness, like obviously grayscale Litecoin's right under 5 again. Because of S&P being 4.4% down, it's about to break below 410. 30 minutes left and it's going under 410. How is it not even done yet? A whole 4.5% fucking percent. Sheesh. 7's in the chat if you're staying brave on crypto.
777.
should get some more sevens coming through. $410 S&P, 410.0. There it is. Not letting that shake me out of my fucking crypto, out of my girth go like coin. Wow. Guess we're going at 345 for sure Bitcoin now. Like, it's inevitable that we get this massive test at 345, and hopefully we get an equally impressive bounce on the way back up right after. So let's be all cool to see if we get that Bitcoin 345 epic bounce. Use this as a nice entry opportunity. Being brave in the face of danger. Use it as a drop opportunity to top off our altcoin holds. Keep it in mind that S&P is still in general good. Clean and simple long term. Here's where the bear hammer began. Bear force. Where the guy is. That's Captain conquering the church up there. Pirate touch. Alright, much better. Going under 400's the lowest it's been all year. Last year. Hard downside. It really is this upper one here. Way below already. Alright, so here's the major difference between this and Bitcoin. S&P is still at the fucking top. All the way back here area. Back to the V. Got all that way to go still. So it's still pretty much at the top, just starting to really put the nail in the coffin. Nice hyphen in those AMC puts. It's funny because that box boy was talking about AMC puts a while ago and everyone got mad at him. And it turns out it was the profitable trade, but like he didn't approach it right. His audience isn't gonna understand, they're just holding it, not trading it. So that dude probably already paper handed his puts. So this is still pretty much at the top with a ways to go. Like really not even halfway down yet. But about to be. Here's the difference with Bitcoin. Bitcoin already fucking crashed. That thing already crashed. %, since the end of last year. It topped out December, the very end of last year, $70,000, and it already crashed 50%. That's the difference. Bitcoin is fresh off a big crash. And you know, after a fresh crash, then the bulls are in control when it's at the bottom area. So the question is this the bottom? We're gonna find out if we get an epic bounce off 3, 4, 5. In the middle of the market madness. If we hold that 3, 4, 5, it'll tell us that it is. And that it already took enough damage back here over the last 4 or 5 months. There's like, it doesn't need to crash another 50% right now. Down to 20,000. There's no need for that. It's been impressively maintaining its strength here for over a year now. So we're not going to doubt that for right now, especially after we already had 2 epic bounces from 3, 4, 5. Maybe if it was like the first time it was going down here, it was kind of sketch because we didn't have a bounce yet, but we already did once here and twice here. So this would just be the 3rd time bouncing from 3, 4, 5. It's really nothing new. The newest thing about it is we hit this higher high last month. Which is a good thing. So no squatching crypto. There's a crypto dipto, just like yesterday. We're still in it today. This is a crypto dipto we were been waiting for really since last month. And now that S&P's down the whole 4%, it's pretty much done for now. Like, I don't think it's gonna really go 5%. Did it? Oh, yeah. That's a full stop on at 410, so it didn't just hit like 409.99, 409.50. All those stops got triggered, and now they're gonna like pull them back in. Market madness. Traders are getting smacked around on the volatility. That's pretty much the limit for the day, guys. Like, hammer's over. It's not looking like we're really gonna close the day under 410. And we weren't really expecting to. That was just significant that we did, and now all those S&P traders just got stopped out at 409.50, and now it's gonna have a coconut bounce. Like, brutal. No day trading S&P. So I think that's it for the hammer. We got 25 minutes. Now it can be power hour. Might get a nice boost on session now. After all of that. Wow. And here come the green candle session. Finish with a bang on our bull charts. Saw them. Huh. See, it was a trick question. It was paper hand hour and then power hour. It was paper hand half hour, power half hour. Dollar dippy last few minutes. Wow. End of day, another end of day turnaround. Like, don't blink out of the shower. Dude. Alright, you got those seatbelts fastened? All the bells. Ring all the bells, you got those seatbelts fast? Cause these sharks about to get some whiplash when they bounce back so quick. The wind's picking up again. I thought the window was closed and there's still wind coming through. We should at least finish those double digits. It's gonna be interesting this tomorrow, Friday, and then over the weekend, particularly the altcoins. They might get some whiplash with how fast they bounce back here. Cause that was it for the hammer right now. Now we get some dollar dippy like all night. And crypto rippy all night. Get them while they're that's why no hesitation, accumulation, and altcoins. They just bounce back up immediately tonight. Hot. Mike for real. Shooter spin. Let's turn up. Hit that like button. You about to make some millionaires. What other streamer doing this? Probably none right now because they're all paper handing. All of the those wannabes, because hasn't made their difference. The real deal. Captain's a trader who started streaming, not a streamer who started trading. So they're probably panicking, trying to crunch the numbers on how much a loss they're gonna take when they panic sell their Tesla and their AMC and their crypto. Well, I do know for a fact that their communities aren't staying as strong as ours is. All that hype today, besides the selective Grinch, it's a pretty brutal day across the board. From like a normal perspective, from a common sense perspective, throw your common sense off the plank. What's your common sense? Common sense going out the window. Because from that perspective, it's the worst day ever in the market. Like, I mean. Doing it. Bitcoin didn't even get all the way through 4. That's what's so significant. Glitches. No. It's so good on my end. You're hearing the fire again? Did it just stutter? People bug out? It says nothing happened. There's no nothing. Looks like nothing even happened from my end. Just wondering. Because it was all good for the last like 2 hours. Stuff blowing up last few minutes of the day. Yeah, everyone's still here. Okay. Good deal. We dodged a bullet. Yeah, there must be an algorithm that catches on to my excitement. That's what it is. They hear me start getting excited and the algorithm kicks in. Oh, Oh, Captain Denwo was getting excited about VXX. You better cut it out. But yeah, S&P is hovering around 4%, so it's like, it already decided this morning it was gonna go down 4%. Now it should just battle it out 410. 410's a big enough of psychological number. There's gonna be some buying pressure at 410, so that's all that's gonna be for now. And then dollar dipping, big dollar dippy. Surprise power hour all of a sudden. This is looking insane for crypto, because here's the deal. Bitcoin doesn't even have to go to exactly 345, just the general bottom of the bull box. That's why it's a big green box right here, not just a line on my chart. It's not just 3-4, it's this whole box. The whole bull box. That dragon flew. It can bounce from 355. And then we got a higher low, which is even better. Because look at this. If we bounce from here now, and that was it, and it doesn't even go to 3-4, then what was there to ever worry about? Nothing. Because look at this. That would be a higher high, then we have a fucking uptrend. If we bounce from here, this is why we gotta monitor it this week real close. We gotta see if we get this major bounce back from here, because the S&P is not really gonna bounce back. Like, the S&P is looking to just drop even lower next week and all that, and Bitcoin can just bounce right back all weekend long, like it never even happened. Can't wait to find out. Are you picking up what I'm throwing down? Are you picking up the crypto that the paper hands are throwing down on the ground in the ocean? Because this might be even more bullish than we even thought. Like, it might impress us tomorrow with how big of a fucking bounce back we get. And then we're cheering Bitcoin on just tomorrow for the weekend. We can't squash our crypto on a silly stop point like this. Some silly paper hand action. This is our crypto dipto that we wanted last month. The shit was going up too far too fast. It was about to leave Earth without us back here. Well, luckily we got a nice crypto dipto triple dip. Triple dunk. We gotta stick to a plan and get our crypto dipto we wanted last month. For sure it is. Nice, VXX trying to get the full 10% still. Like, the S&P is feeling so much burn now just in general. It almost doesn't even matter what the dollar does. Like, now that the process has started, all those mainstream traders gonna feel the burn. They're not making any money holding those S&P stocks. Like, more and more sellers on it. Time goes on. Yeah, crypto cut. Good question, though. Good brainstormer. Oh, awesome JD Party hat. I want to talk to you about that weekend and everything. But good question there, Crypto Crash. With if the dollar's dipping right now, how are the inverse charts still going up? That tells us it's the real deal on the inverse charts. Like, VXX closes the day over 10%, and it's the real deal. It's not just a fake out, breakout kind of short-lived bump. but S&P wants to finish under 410. It's like the battle of 410 right now, but it's already dropping back under. And get like a full 4.5% close. There's only 10 minutes left. It's not even holding up very well. Still super weak. So it's like, that's what it means, is this is still weak almost no matter what the dollar does right now. Like a dollar dippy right here is good for our favorite hot bevies, like Sessing can get a nice pop up the very last few minutes of the day, our bull charts, but it's not enough for to save the S&P. It almost doesn't even matter what the dollar does right here. It seems like it's the process has began. There's no going back. Like even if the dollar dips like back here, S&P is still getting hammered today. So almost like no matter what the dollar does right now, this is the real deal on VXX from that last 25 entry. DRV double digit, 9.5% bearish real estate. The hedge charts are working. And that's great, because that's really what we need right now to keep progress on the market crash. Get it all over with. The further up the inverse charts go, the more likely SP is to go down more. It's all heading in that direction. Alright, it bounced. There's the bounce. 3.5% down now. Not closing a full 4%, because that was very extreme. Now it's getting a bit of a boost with that dollar dip, but it's not going to be enough to really matter. Just drop back down tomorrow afternoon. Finish the week bearish. Because remember, this thing was pretty green for the last 3 days. Here's Monday. So, we closed the month last month very bearish. Got where we needed to go, but beginning of the week green, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We got that kind of top end of day yesterday, and now today is giving it all back. One day, end of week, so it does look like it'll get another drop down tomorrow. Going into that bearish weekly close for the rest of the month ahead. And we don't even really need that, but it's all, yeah. I think dollar could dip quite a bit, and it's not really gonna save it here. It'll just bounce back to 420 one more time and then drop again from there down to 400. It's making lower highs consistently. Every peak's lower than the last ones from the hammering. So even if it just stays around here tomorrow, it's gonna be a bearish weekly close. And dollar dip is gonna help our hot bevies. It will help the undervalued ones a lot more. That's what's great about it. Every small dollar dippy we get, that does kick in nice green for our favorite undervalued charts. I don't see it kicking in very much at the moment though. We haven't triggered the alert, session didn't get too much further. But that's all good. Because it's just not enough time right now. Market madness, 7 minutes. The craziness is lasting the last few minutes of the day, and we gotta avoid that. Stick to the theme of the day and keep cool while other people are making mistakes. Making quick, rash decisions at the end of the day is better to just avoid those right now. Like paper handing their crypto the last second. That's already been bouncing back up. Interesting. So that's what's cool about this, is like that was the hammering right here, and now dollar's kind of dipping. Get a dollar dippy overnight, right? Dollar dips overnight, Bitcoin bounces right back up overnight. All altcoins are green tomorrow, so this is way more of a drop opportunity than just a drop on crypto. Blockbuster held up that 100%. It's crazy. What a day. And Grayscale, well, here we go. If we gotta make a quick end of day decision, Grayscale Litecoin still under 5, very end of day. Hard to see what kind of bounce that gets tomorrow. Yeah, well, the S&P is crashing, but crypto's just dipping. We just have a nice crypto dip though from last month. That's what we wanted. So that's actually a good thing. On crypto, it's not like going into a bear market yet. See no sign of that. No warning signs of that yet. We'll check it after the bell. There's not enough time right now. But it's important to get bounce on Bitcoin here. That's gonna tell us everything we need to know. Let's see if we got any other battles going on. There might be one on AMC. 1460. AMC bounce back up to 15 in the next 3 minutes. Stream 3D. $1.49 and $1.50. Close over $1.50 would look nice. That seems to be the line on it, similar to Litecoin at $100. For mullen at 120 or whatnot. $1.50 Sphere 3D. That didn't even take any damage. Wait, Sphere 3D didn't even go down with Bitcoin. That's still holding it up a couple of days ago. Yeah, mullen's well over 120, it's at 130. Everything looks pretty good right now for our plans. for the master plan. The most crucial line on anything, because this 150 is not even that important. It really is AMC. The S&P is way down still, so that's not critical. But it's like maybe AMC will still bounce back to 15 tomorrow, so it doesn't even matter that much right now. It still matters. It does on that one. Every day is important on that one, because it's psychologically breaking down the holders mentally, emotionally. But it's not looking to hit 15 in the next 30 seconds. It doesn't really change anything. Better Therapeutics dropped way down, very end. We'll have to check that. 10 seconds. We needed that today. I think we needed that. 3, 2, 1. It almost got up to 15. What a wild day. Holy cow. And this is all pressure going into tomorrow, Friday, end of week. I'm kind of glad that's the bell. Like, that's one of those days you almost want the. We're kind of fighting the clock there. We almost want the day to end there, because it was kind of intense. Lots of paper handling, lots of squatching. Massive crypto dipto, but it already bounced back up there, and it's looking interesting. Way under 420 S&P, obviously. I'm gonna dish out those booty coins. We're gonna do a quick market summary, quick crypto crunch, and just wrap it up. A nice knowledge burrito. Call it a day, because I'm sure y'all are feeling kind of drained after that one. And we're gonna keep some excitement for tomorrow. That was like a market cliffhanger for tomorrow. A real cliffhanger. You know, they say that in the movies and stuff. Like, oh, the movie ended with a cliffhanger. My goodness, S&P get very close to 400. Can't wait to see it hit 399 one day. Let's see if it dropped. How much would it have to drop tomorrow? It could do it. We could hit 399 tomorrow. Sheesh. If it has another day like that tomorrow. Closed 3.5% red today. It closes 3.5% red tomorrow. It'll close the week under 400 already. That did take too long. So it's getting spicy. Markets are hot. You're all doing great. Awesome job, everyone. That was a lot of fun in the chat. We had to have fun, and it got serious at one point, but like, we gotta keep our cool and have some fun together as a team to get through the craziness. But all around, we really needed that kind of a day. It's been overdue, all these coconut bounces. We're just getting another hammer. And all these others here. Hammering there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're our 7th hammer down. They're feeling the burn now. I believe now that it's begun psychologically, anyone holding Tesla is gonna be losing money, and they're not gonna want to hold it anymore, and they're gonna paper hand it. That's pretty much simple as that. Don't even overthink it. They're not making any money holding it. They're gonna start losing money holding it, and they're not gonna want to hold it anymore. So what does that mean? They'll be paper handing it, selling it down. Mad dash to the bottom, last one left holding the bag. But for us, it's more like first one in's holding the treasure, stealing the bag at the bottom. We can start getting ready for all that since it's right around the corner. Let's check those monthly closes, and then we're gonna check crypto. Well, they're not closes. We got 26 more days for this to be a red candle. Because a lot of them are green right now, but we had one, maybe two of them. Let's see if there's any more. But Tesla is still green on the monthly right there. At the core of it, the most simple principle of it, that's what I'm looking for, is the monthly candle bars are red or green right now. Nvidia is still green, slightly. Amazon should be red. Here it is, Amazon. This is what we're looking for on the other bear charts. Maybe we'll see more of that tomorrow. Like, they're slightly green, hardly, barely at all. If we get a red day S&P again tomorrow, and all these S&P charts go red again tomorrow, they will get that red candle just like Amazon here. They're very close to looking like this, and if they all get that, that means the S&P is gonna look like that. The S&P itself still has green right now. It's slightly green. All those other ones put in the red candle like Amazon, then the S&P itself will have that red monthly candle. Because those are the S&P. Amazon's like 4% of the whole thing. So we're waiting to see these red candles on the monthly over the next 26 days, but they might start happening just tomorrow. Oh yeah, well, crypto cross. Wait, you're heavy in Tesla puts, but you're down on it? Your Tesla puts should be up a lot right now. How are you down money on Tesla puts? I must be missing something to the story. There's a part of that story that's not making sense. Tesla 8% red today. Anyway. Maybe some short-term ones? Is that volatile or something? Oh, wow, okay, crypto cross, you just got in them the end of day. I see. Yeah, it bounced up slightly because the S&P ended reasonable. The S&P didn't close 4% down, it closed like 3.5% with a tiny bounce end of day. So Tesla, tiny bounce end of day, but here you go. S&P drops down again tomorrow. This is gonna drop down again tomorrow. So Tesla looks like it's about to pull what Neo did. Look at this bottom here. You know, the bottom here, that's the short term where we're trying to get to. Drop back down to there. Alright. Neo had a similar coconut down as Tesla. This has continued down. It's very close to this bottom now on Neo. Tesla's still like up here. About to go down to this bottom. Yeah, I mean, it's all good there. It's, as long as you have enough time. If they expire tomorrow, if you have contracts for Tesla tomorrow, well, better hope we get that hammering tomorrow. Otherwise, given some more time, the rest of the month, Tesla's looking ugly, keep going down. But yeah, we're waiting for that red candle on the monthly. It's not there quite yet, slightly green right now. We'll see if we get that tomorrow. So right now only Amazon has it, Nvidia green, Google green on the monthly, and AutoZone green. AA does have it, this other one, Alcoa, which is interesting because we were topped out on this a few months ago, and now it's got that bearish monthly candle. Does Lowe's have it? Lowe's has it. See, we're getting some more of them. And Hershey's is red on the day, so you know it's the real deal. If even Hershey's feeling the burn. So Lowe's does have that red monthly candle already. Well, maybe Hershey's even does, cause yeah, even Hershey's really does, cause it was topped out the end of last month. So this new month, even Hershey's has a red candle. There's some of them here already. Yeah, it's looking we'll just get more and more of those. We'll see Tesla's turn red soon, Nvidia, etc. But we got 26 more days for that. That can trigger the real drop. Alright, cool. We gotta check some crypto. And I'm gonna keep it brief because we talked about it throughout the day, so it is a major development. But it's really something to be brave about because we were pretty much begging for this crypto dip the last month. When all our favorite altcoins were bouncing 100%, 50%, and we were saying, hey, wait a second, I want to get some more vechain, some more Jasmine, some more Dash before they moon. And we were practically begging for this crypto dip to get top off our favorite altcoins one more time, and we got it. Here we are. They followed Bitcoin down to 345. And it didn't even get all the way down. Now the bell hit. Nothing too extreme. Crypto goes green. So I'm kind of even forcing people in a way of, you gotta trust the bull box here, and we're not gonna watch it bounce up for the next hour. Stay calm, hold strong, and we're gonna check that in the morning, and let's see how far of a bounce back we get overnight. Dollar started dipping the very end of the day. We can get some dollar dippy overnight. And then rinse and repeat tomorrow into the weekend. So imagine we get dollar dippy over the next few hours and Bitcoin bounces right back up. Dollar dip, crypto rip. And there's just a bunch of paper handing because people are scared with the S&P and they sold their crypto. And they got shaken out, and then we get dollar dippy overnight. Bitcoin bounces right back up. And then tomorrow we're down here and the dollar bounces again. And it's the same exact scenario we had this morning. because that's basically what happened today. Dollar dippy overnight, essentially, and the day yesterday, and it was all good, and then dollar bounce all day today, causing S&P to get hammered. So dollar dippy overnight, it's all good, and then dollar bounce tomorrow, S&P gets hammered again. Let's see how strong we bounce back on our crypto with this dollar dippy. Now that the market's closed, there's no reason for it to go down any lower. I'm already impressed because it didn't hit 345. It's already bouncing from above 345. That's how strong it appears to be. At this rate, it doesn't even look like it's gonna hit 345. So I can't wait to check all that tomorrow. There's everything we've been wanting to see how it develops this week. And going into the weekend, because alright, here we go. Here's the best case scenario. And we're calling it because basically all the altcoins are at great entries right now. Hey, Katya. Well, we'll take a quick look. FitFi? No, I've never heard of that. Is that a crypto or a stock, Katya? Crypto? Alright, we'll take a quick peek at FitFi. A quick peek at some of them. But you know they're at good entries. We already know that. They already were yesterday. Oh wow. No, I've never heard of it, and it looks brand new. At least on this exchange. So it's moving insane amounts quickly. But that makes it high risk, and it's probably gonna keep gaining some value here if Bitcoin bounces back nice and strong. But if Bitcoin goes down lower, this would go up. It's all the altcoins pretty much right now. Almost every single one of them is trending with the king of crypto, Bitcoin. So lots of anticipation how it's gonna roll into tomorrow. Okay, I'm gonna end it on that thought. So quick check first. How hot are the bevies? Grayscale, Litecoin, awesome, right under 5. But let's see just how hot are they, if we got anything extreme. Nano's pretty much the most. Nano and ICP really right now, because they're double dunks, but they're even slightly lower than last time. Being able to get in Nano $1.50, that's pretty good dip. That's a pretty good opportunity on Nano. That's what we were waiting for. If you were watching when Nano was blasting off back here, I was saying, I want some Nano, but it's already up at $3. It already bounced 100%, and I didn't get in yet. I'm gonna miss a good entry. Hopefully we get a crypto dipto and we can get a good entry. And here it is. So this is actually what we've been waiting for. Be brave about them. The other ones look about where we've been anyway. They're not too different there. I'm deep in thought with music. Steam's a good entry right now again. It's nothing too extreme. That looks pretty standard. It's doing what we expected, holding top of the orange line, but a good entry while it's under 40 cents right now. So Steam was getting a bit up there where it wasn't exactly the best entry at like 70 cents, but now we have this crypto dipto back to 40 cents. It's a lot better. And I would take Shiba because I'm curious if even the bear one. There's some bearish leaning altcoins that are sketchy. I wonder how those are looking. Ethereum's actually one of them. Just like all our bear charts in the stocks, we better check some of these bear cryptos real quick. Here's Binance Coin, BNB. That's pretty sketch. There are certain cryptos here that are looking very topped out too. Ethereum's actually one of them potentially, but it should trend up with the rest of the crypto market. It's so popular that it should follow Bitcoin upwards as long as Bitcoin bounces. So Ethereum probably hold up better than some of those others. About Uniswap has been coming down for months. Shit doesn't look totally bottomed out yet on some of these. Uniswap's still like halfway down. What about Cardano? It's getting lower lows still. That looks sketch on Cardano. So for Doge and Shiba, well, Doge is sketch. I'm not convinced that these ones like Dogecoin are gonna go green with the rest of the altcoins. It's probably too topped out, too far, too fast, and it's kind of like Tesla. Dogecoin is the Tesla of altcoins. And I wouldn't want to be holding that just in case the risk outweighs the reward. The reward was back here. Not much reward left. Shiba might be different. Shiba might have a better shot. Right about the middle area, so you really wouldn't want to make a judgment call on it just yet right there. It's still right in that same spot. Doesn't look quite as ugly as Doge though, because we already had a nice breakout here. It went 10x. And so far it's maintaining some of that gains. It might not dunk all the way back down on Shiba. It's still at risk of that. And you wouldn't want to really make a judgment call on it right here just yet, because this is dipping, correlating with the king of crypto Bitcoin right here. And it may just bounce right back up with Bitcoin there. The risk reward, you wouldn't want to go too heavy on it though. Because there are altcoins that are way more bottomed out looking. Just take another glance at a couple. Remind ourselves how bullish they are. The long-term trend line on Dash. That's where we are exactly. We're right there on the line. It's a critical spot. I've been maintaining this trend line since 2014. No reason to doubt it. Go get an epic bounce right from here. Go brand new all-time high. I like to go long on the long-term support. Right, sister's farming now from city to country. Oh, she's being brave on that Asia broadband. Crypto stocks have this same kind of crypto dip right now from the last month, because everything's been taking dollar damage basically. If we just maintain on crypto. Hold this general area on Dash while the market's taking damage, the S&P. And it's good to go for when the dollar crashes. Alright, I'm gonna leave it on a big thought though. Whether this hits 345 or not, it almost doesn't even matter. We want to see if we get that nice bounce by tomorrow morning and throughout tomorrow afternoon, end of the week. Because that's gonna mean a lot going into the weekend. So here's what we're looking for. Doesn't change anything if it hits 345 or not, but just from this general bottom of the bull box area, maybe we get a higher low from the last one, so it's not exactly 345 and it holds up slightly above. Either way, get some sort of bounce from down here and we can spring right back up, potentially even overnight. So I really this is gonna be important if this happens overnight right now, because I mean crypto's crushing it during the market crash. So it took some dollar damage and it went down with the market panic, market madness, daily paper handing on crypto, nothing new. And we're just looking for a bounce back, and this can happen overnight or even over the weekend. So maybe it's over the weekend, okay, maybe it holds around here tomorrow, 345 during the market day, and then over the weekend it bounces back. But this next bounce back, we're looking for from the bottom of the bull box around 345 back over 40,000. That's how we're gonna know. Bitcoin hits 40,000 between now and over the weekend. It's fucking on. Because as soon as Bitcoin's bouncing back, like think about if this happens just overnight tonight and it's here tomorrow morning, if that's how quick it springs. We just want to check and see how quick it springs, not try and guess. But that's possible even just overnight with a dollar dippy overnight. So it'll be interesting anticipation for that, because as soon as Bitcoin's hitting 40,000 again, the altcoins are going to be bouncing right back over their important numbers. Bitcoin goes over 40,000, that means Litecoin goes over 100, Dash goes over 100, Jasmine goes over 2 cents. Grayscale Litecoin bounces big from $5. Alright, that was even more of a summary than I was planning on, so we're gonna end it with a cliffhanger, just like the fucking markets. My goodness, what a day. That was a blast, so making good progress, things headed in the right direction. Thanks so much, all the kind words and support. Happy trading, have an awesome rest of your day, and take care.